Looking for high-quality antibacterial toilet wipes and sanitizing wipes? Look no further than Hopingwipes, a leading flushable wipes company that's dedicated to providing top-notch products and services to customers around the world. Founded in 1992, Tankstyle Group, the parent company of Hopingwipes, is a comprehensive enterprise that specializes in the research and development of bamboo and wood products, cleaning wet wipes, and paper products. With over 150 team members and subsidiaries such as Gwalin Hoping Housewares Co. Limited, which mainly produces wet wipe products, Tankstyle Paper Forever Co. Limited, which mainly produces paper products, and Tankstyle Supply Chain Management Co. Limited, which mainly produces bamboo and wood products, you can be confident that you're working with a company that has the experience and expertise to meet your needs. One of the things that sets Hopingwipes apart from other flushable wipes companies is our strict quality control standards. We're committed to providing our customers with the highest quality, and our products are sold in over 60 countries on 4 continents. We're also proud to offer certification certificates such as FSC, SGS, and WSF to further demonstrate our commitment to quality. When it comes to production capacity, we're well equipped to handle even the largest orders. With 55 wet wipe production lines and an annual capacity of 80 tons per day, we are able to produce a large volume of flushable wipes quickly and efficiently. And with clients like Cisco, Starbucks, McDonald's, and Japan Skylark International Catering Group, you can be confident that you're working with a company that's trusted by some of the biggest names in the business. Whether you are looking for antibacterial toilet wipes, sanitizing wipes, or other flushable wipes products, Hopingwipes has you covered. With our commitment to quality, exceptional customer service, and industry-leading production capacity, you can be confident that you are making the best choice for your needs. Visit our website at hopingwipes.com to learn more about our products and services, and to place an order today. Thank you for considering Hopingwipes for your flushable wipes needs. We look forward to working with you.